So, ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to express my deepest gratitude on behalf of my mother, Aleja Martinado Cabuntin, this year's Hermana Mayor. We are truly grateful for the support and the love that we receive from our beloved kapatids, siblings, and extended family members. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Tita Mena, Tita Yeye, and Ate Buchi for their unwavering support and presence in our lives. I also want to extend our heartfelt appreciation to all those who have been with us throughout this journey. To incredible individuals who have prepared delicious meals for us, like Ate Bioli, Ate Virgie, and Ate Nich, and to our wonderful neighbors who have shown us kindness and support. We are all forever grateful. Moreover, I would like to express our sincere thanks to our dear sisters and brothers and to the entire Martinada Clark family. Your continuous love and encouragement have been a source of strength for us, and we are blessed to have you by our side. Last but not the least, shout out to Ace Inns Prince for providing us with the beautiful t-shirts. Your contribution has added an extra touch of unity and togetherness to a special occasion. On behalf of my mother, my sister, my father, and for my entire family, we extend our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. Your presence and support has made this journey meaningful and memorable. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.